Assalamu alaikum and greetings. AliShanMao here, and welcome to a little 360-degree virtual reality tour of my little man cave, which I have improved a little bit by upgrading a little bit of furniture so that to improve the efficiency in terms of space that I have very little space here and make most out of this space, and of course the productivity and comfort for myself to spend time here in man cave, because this is the place, this is the room, this is the chair. This is where I spend most of my life, actually, most of my daytime. So feel free to look around, because this is a 360-degree virtual reality video. If you're watching this video on your computers, use your mouse to drag the view around, and you can look around everywhere in this room, up, down, left, right, I mean, wherever you want. If you're watching this video on smartphones, smart devices, use your finger to swipe around and, of course, look around. You can also turn on the gyros if that supports the feature for 360 VR viewing. You can actually turn your devices and enjoy looking around this room. So let me just give you a little tour very quickly. In terms of a furniture upgrade, I got this table. I used to work from floor all the time, and get tired, get my back ache or something like that. So now I got a nice little table, something in 159 RMB, I believe. Cheap, not bad, very good quality. It has a good space top here, like a shelf, like a bookcase, something like that. So I put, instead of books, I don't know what is books. So anyway, so I put my models here and bolts here, the radios and batteries down here. My battery charging station went down here under the table, which makes very good use of this space. Hey, check this out. There's a little FPV from Sobotech. Little FPV truck right here, Wi-Fi FPV. We'll post a review very soon. A 10,000 milliamp big tattoo is sitting right here for my Nimbus Beetle. Alright, moving on, and after that we have the little soldering station for myself that I can use it for. I don't do much soldering, but sometimes you do need soldering stations. So the soldering station sitting here. After that, my best buddy, the Creality CR10 got its own little space right here. Creality CR10S is that the S model. Upgraded version is one printer that never takes rest in my room. Today is the weekend, so I'm giving it a day off. It will be back on 3D printing by tonight, I'm sure. But anyway, today it's taking some rest, otherwise it's 3D printing day and night. Anyway, so if you're looking for a really amazing 3D printer to start with, you're looking at it down here. Creality 3 CR10S, get one. Alright, after that, moving here, oh, check it out. I got a little DIY RC submarine project here. Video reviews, I think so. My goggles are sitting here. My two helicopters are here. And then coming back here, this is the chair and the computer, the table, where I spend most of my life, working, editing videos, and bringing all the shows and reviews for all of you to watch. So this is my beloved table and chair. And now I can actually move this chair all the way to that table and work there as well. Now we have here a little table for my cameras and a charging station. If you move your view up, you can see my little FPV quadcopters or FPV racing quadcopters collection, including the micros, FPV whoops, and of course the full-size ones. Now my Finland Traveler here and E500 are there. And of course more planes are coming, but they won't be hanging right here because this room is getting really cramped. I'm just going to put them into the storage area down there. Right here is my SH, and I have a very cool FPV pan tilt here, which I 3D printed all by myself. I can give you a quick looky right here, right in front of the lens. You can see, using two servos, this works like a charm. I'm going to do a video about this little 3D project as well. And I'm also 3D printing, that's why I said that printer never rests. I'm also 3D printing DIY landing gear, stick and fly, steerable, shock absorbing landing gear. And that 3D printed shock absorbing, stick and fly, steerable landing gear project is coming very soon in my videos as well. Okay, so this is it. I mean, this is my little man cave, nothing much to see. Just remember, most of my time is basically passing right here. Now, before I end this video, I shot this video using Wonder 360 C1 360-degree virtual reality camera. It has two lenses, so it shoots, it records in 360-degree all the way, all the time, and it has an Ultra HD built-in stitching feature. That means you don't need any editor anymore. You don't need any stitching software anymore. You can just record a video and upload it using your smartphone app, which this camera has, directly to your social media or social sites, or you can take the file and directly upload it to YouTube for people to watch. Normally, I found that if you stitch a 360-degree video using a separate software and then you edit using a video editor and then you produce that video and you upload that video, oh man, that just takes away all your details, your crispiness in the video. I am hoping this 360 3K that this camera is shooting in 3K without editing, with its built-in stitching, is going to turn out really nice. I'm expecting that it will turn out better than the videos I used to post before with the 1080p camera. So this is the Wonder 360 C1 Ultra HD built-in stitching 360-degree virtual reality camera. They wrote 4K, not 4K, 3K, and also have a live video feature. With iPhones, you can use it directly, but with the Android phone, you need an OTG cable, which I'm going to get very soon. And then you can see me 360-degree live on Facebook. I mean, 360-degree virtual reality. I'm planning to do a couple of shows using this camera, regular live videos, 360-degree live videos on Facebook using this camera. So you know my Facebook, AliShanMao highly recommended products, and FPV Pilots. We are FPV Pilots. These 3 Facebook pages, one of them might have my regular live 360-degree videos and shows using this Wonder 360 C1 camera. So thank you very much, Wonder 360, for sponsoring this camera. And of course, I am going to put this camera right here on this plane to bring you an immersive 360-degree virtual reality FPV first-person view video where you can actually look around, but don't look down, because that will be scary. If you move the view downwards, that'll be scary to see all the way from top to bottom. Anyway, thank you very much for watching this little video. It's been 7 minutes. I've been talking and moving around. I'm sure you're having difficult time catching up with me. It's time to stop the video and upload it to YouTube. YouTube is waiting. Enjoy, and if you like this video, please thumbs up, hit the like button, and do subscribe to my channel. And of course, if you really like the style of 360-degree virtual reality video, just tell me, and I'll be bringing you more 360-degree virtual reality type videos. Enjoy. Take care.